Okay, so let's do number 4. Before we begin, I went ahead and wrote down the molecular mass of each, looking at the periodic table. All right, so the only two things that I know, or only one thing I know, is the mass of lithium hydroxide. And I want to know the volume of carbon dioxide. Okay, those are the only two things that matter in this question. So again, when you set it up, you start with what you know. I know the mass of lithium oxide. That's all I know. It's 1.00 kilograms, okay? Accurate up to 3 sig figs. So I convert that, it's 1,000 grams, all right? Then I am going to say, okay, so if I have 1,000 grams here, the grams of lithium oxide needs to go down here. Again, where do I get those grams from? I get it from looking at the periodic table, which gives me something like this, okay? Then I say, all right, so put that over 1 mole of lithium oxide, because that's how many I get every time I have 1 mole. So cross out, cross out. Then the next one is, again, because this is the only one other one that's in the problem, I just compare the mole ratio of the two, okay? So I'm going to say, all right, in my problem, I have 2 of those, 2 of lithium oxide. So it's 2 moles of lithium oxide. I wrote it at the bottom, so these 2 guys will cancel out. Then, if I have 2 of these, how many of the ones in question do I have? I have 1 mole of carbon dioxide, okay? So everything's been canceled out except for mole of carbon dioxide. Well, the question isn't asking for moles of carbon dioxide. It is asking for the volume of carbon dioxide. So I need to change that to volume. So I'm going to put mole down here so that they can cancel out, okay? Cancel, cancel. Every 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to 22.4 liters of carbon dioxide, okay? When I do that, then I am left with only liters of carbon dioxide. And I know that I'm on the right track because that's what the question is asking for. So all you have to do is calculate it straight across. So you're going to say 1,000 divided by, well, actually, let's multiply straight across and then divide, okay? Multiply by 22.4 gives you that. Divide that by 23.94 divided by 2, then gives you 467.8. Let's see how many sig figs. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 sig figs. So 467 liters of carbon dioxide. Oh, you gotta round it up. So 468 round up of carbon dioxide.